Hello YouTube, this is Miss Kagome, and you may or may not know that my son has high functioning autism, or aspergers, as most of you guys probably know it as in the past. But he has a very hard time with telling time and keeping time. He also has a learning disability, which makes it hard. His short-term memory is not so good. So I've been trying to help him learn to tell time. Now he can look at a digital watch now and tell me what time it is, but he doesn't really have a concept of it. So he doesn't really grasp the concept of 20 minutes or an hour. He's getting better at it, but he just doesn't get it right now. And he's 10 years old, so he's been learning to tell time for a few years now in school, but he just doesn't get it. So the first thing I did was I went on Amazon and I got one of these clocks. And the clock, you see the clock, it has numbers all on the sides too. So it has like 1 all the way down to 30. But then it starts counting back up. So it's like 20 minutes past and then 20 minutes to, or 2, you know. But he does not understand 2 and past. So that wasn't working so well. So what I had to do was I actually took this clock apart, which was really simple. Just look on the back here. Took the screws out. Just the simple Phillips head screwdriver. Took the screws out, and then I took the case off. And under there, the numbers are on a paper sheet, cardboard. And I filled in the rest of the numbers on the side. So instead of stopping at 30, I went on to 31 and on up to 59 on the other side of the clock. And then there's certain things that he does at certain times during the day. So I just got me some Sharpies and highlighters and stuff like that. Oh, and when you fill in your numbers, don't use a gel pen. Go ahead and use a Sharpie, because I used the gel pen first and then the numbers started to run, so that's why it looks a bit messy over here, because I had to clean it all off and then start over. So what I did, I highlighted different things that we do during the day that are important that apply to him. It's like at 5 o'clock, every day at 5 o'clock we do homework. So the small hand would be on the 5, and then he could look up and see that the green hand would be, the big hand would be on the green 12. And at 8 o'clock is his bath time. At 9 o'clock is bedtime. In between these times is story time. And I wrote those on there so that he would know. Just like on the 7, I highlighted the 7. I didn't color it in totally. I highlighted the 7 and then coordinated with the 4, which would be 7:20. Because this is when he needs to be leaving the house to go to the bus stop. So, and I wrote it up here, bus, and then I wrote it up here, bath, story time, bedtime, homework is written up there. So that he'll know exactly what I'm talking about. I'm sure it's backwards up here. I don't know. Anyway, that's what I did. And I thought it would be a good idea to show you guys if you're having issues. This clock, it might have been about $15 on Amazon. It's probably the best one I saw. I also have a timekeeper for him. I'll show you that. Hold on. I got a timekeeper off Amazon for him. It looks like this. So when he's supposed to read for 30 minutes, you just pull the little thing down till it gets to 30, and then it'll automatically start counting down until the 30 minutes is up. Then it'll beep. It's not a very loud sound or anything like that. It's just like beep, and that's it. And it uses batteries. It has feet to stand on, so it'll sit flat on your table, or you can hang it on the wall, whatever you think is best. So he likes that. Sometimes he cheats. Sorry about the noise. There's people outside again. Sometimes he'll try to cheat and push the time up. So he knows like the less red there is, the less time he has to do certain things. Or sometimes if he's running out of time and he's supposed to get something done, he'll try to like add more to it when I'm not looking. So you gotta have to watch that. Let me see if you can hear the beat. Alright, somebody's cutting the food outside. Okay. Anyway, let's see if you can hear the beat. Push it around, and I go to the end, and beep, that's it. So those are just like a couple things. Besides that, he wants a digital watch. So I'm going to get him a digital watch so that he has alarms on his, I had an old cell phone that I wasn't using anymore. It's kind of broken. So he has alarms on that he uses. He uses an alarm for in the morning, an alarm for when he needs to put his shoes on, alarm for when it's time to go to the bus, different things like that. So, but I want him to be able to use, the regular clock. These are the ones that you're going to see in different places. You see them in doctor's offices and train stations and stuff like that. So, and he can't ever tell what time it is. So we're working on telling time. But that's all I wanted to show you guys, and I wish you luck and lots of success.